over to all the Filipino coordinators
Yes, sir.
of the different districts in the elementary and secondary levels.
Yes.
Magandang umaga muli. Ipagpauman ninyo na I'm not properly dressed. Kasi nag-text kasi ako ni Jennifer, hindi niya nabasa. Tingnan mo yung cellphone mo, 2 missed calls ka dyan. 2 missed calls ka dyan. Kasi I was texting, Jen, can you tell me what the activity is all about? So that I can give a proper message. Hindi niya ko tinext. Gaya ni Jennifer. Nakakahiya tuloy. Yeah, kasi of course, today is a Saturday, so I am dressed to just be working in the office. No? And later on, I'm going to see our Category B principal qualifiers who will be assessed this afternoon. No? Nationally, sa NEA. They are there at the Crown Regency together with Category B Inquish qualifiers of Region 6, 8, and 9. So, Visayas Cluster Assessment together with one region sa Mindanao region is ay nandito sa Cebu. May assessment din for the regional groups in Cagayan de Oro today also, as well as in NCR and in Batangas. So, nationwide. But yesterday, they were given some orientation on the PPSH, that's the Professional Standards for School Heads, and I was part of the resource speakers kahapon, cramming. Kasi pinaalam sa akin the day before, then binigyan na lang kami ng mga session guides. So I had to study, I had to prepare, and pagdating ko doon, yung arrangement na sinabi na ganito ang mangyari, na iba. So I had to adjust my, we should be flexible. In the same way as our schedule should always be flexible. So sa totoo lang, wala ito sa schedule ko, Jen. Kasi ang Saturday ko ngayon is filled. Ang daming pink folders na dapat pirmahan. You know naman, hindi natin pwedeng ipagpaliban yung pagpipirma ng pink folders. Kasi nagmamadali tayo. Kasi pag hindi pinipirmahan, ang daming nag-text, Sir, kumusta na? Sir, kumusta na? And, we are also expediting the processing of appointments, especially promotions and newly hired personnel. So, again, I'm very happy. Ako'y masaya na nandito ngayon with you. And pagpauman ninyo na hindi ko mapatuloy ang aking speech in Filipino. So, pwede ba sa English na lang? Baka iba pang sasabihin ko. Ipupursige ko yung Filipino. Okay? Kasi I remember when I was in Manila, mga bagong teacher kami. Tatlo kami, mga bagong teacher. Taon-taon, mag-attend kami ng National Folk Dance Workshop doon sa Folk Arts Theater. Okay? Kasi pagdating namin dito, mag-workshop naman. So, tatlo kami. Nakita namin yung mangga ng Zambales. If you see the mangga sa Zambales, very yellow. Kung tingnan niyo, very sweet. But sweet siya, pero hindi siya mabango. No, that's what makes it different from the Cebu mangoes. Mabango at sweet pa. Doon sa Zambales, sweet pero walang amoy. So doon kami, gusto namin pumili. So, gusto namin, tumawad. So, sabi ng isa kong kasama, ay, Ale, pwede patawarin mo kami. Sabi na, kasalanan. So you see, baka nangyari tapos mag-viral yung mga sasabihin. Huwag naman sana, ha? Huwag naman sana. Kasi si Mamo, nag-record siya sa sasabihin. Okay, unay ha? First of all, I would like to commend Ma'am Jen Archanga and with the other technical working groups for being able to organize this activity. No? And it's a very timely activity kasi parangal sa buwan ng wika, pagpupukay para sa mga huwarang tagapagtaguyod. Truly, you need to, because you see, the hunger for appreciation, the hunger for recognition is much more than the hunger of the stomach.
Yes.
It's not that we want to be recognized. It's not that we want to be appreciated, but it's just that appreciation and recognition is an activity that really satisfies the human nature. So those are two hungers. Yung hunger sa stomach, hindi naman kayo hungry kasi may juice naman kayo. Ako rin, binibigyan ng tinapay. Okay, tapos nakikita ko yung masarap na lunch. Sa inyo ba yan? May lunch kayo, Jen? May lunch kayo? Magkano ang contribution niyo? Wala. Okay. Sana wala. Kasi ang daming text messages from Magtutudlong Bisaya ang pino-forward sa akin the other day and yesterday and even ngayon about the Teacher's Day na nag-amot, na ganito niya. Naman sa gito ibang mga teacher no na kanang sakit kasi lang po bisa kamay amot. Gusto na lang alibritanan. Yan, nabi ako o pa ba niyo madapat yung world, yung Teacher's Day, expected. The usual. Kaya lang, the instruction is not before October 5. Okay, ang release. Yeah. Not before October 5. Okay, so 5 and beyond. But that's beside the point. What I want to point out is that I am very happy that you have organized this activity, and I would like to give my appreciation because truly those who really take part in the successful implementation of our programs and projects, and in this case, our programs and projects in Filipino, really ought to be appreciated. Because you're working for the division. And then, ang superintendent trabadayon may papasok-pasok with awardan ng division. Yes. Diba? Superintendent ay papasok-pasok, wala yung magbarong-barong. But, does the superintendent work for it? No. It's you. You work for it. May unang uban nga, ano man ang, ano ba nga, pagtagaan, ginakupagtagaan ng mga supervisors, mga principals, PSDS, kamo, coordinators. Of course, because they are the ones who are working for the division. So, I congratulate all of you, especially those yung mga napaparangalan ngayon. Okay? And yung parangal ngayon might only be yours, but in the succeeding times, we will give parangal to the others who also deserve. Okay? And to mga bagong promotees, sino yun? Tayo. Kaya pala ang ganda ng mga suot nila. So, congratulations. Master teachers? Any? Okay. Now, first of all, I would like to give premium to the role of the district coordinators. The importance of the cooperation and support of the district coordinators could not be underestimated. sa kadako sa atong division, mayong tao, parehas pa ni atong division sa ubang divisions na 30 na ka-eskwelahan. Okay? Like Toledo. Elementary and secondary sa Toledo, 30 na kapin. Carcano. Naga. Okay. Mayong tao, inana na kadaka kay malibot yun ang Ma'am Jen ang tanang mga eskwelahan. Tanang mga eskwelahan to check on the delivery of the curriculum in Filipino. Pansa ato, how many schools do we have? Do you know? 1,143. Bisan ako. Bisan o kada adlaw, usa ka eskwelahan ang akong bisitahan, di na ako mamanso sa katuig. Because there are only 365 days in a year. Okay? Kanya, kung tanong na yung kumurag na yung mga superintendent, sarcastic, ayaw niya. Bisita na sa dani mong tanan, sir. So, nagtugod-tuguron ko nila mag-awas. Mayon ta-praise ko ni Jesus Christ na omnipresent. I can be present in anywhere I want to be. Okay, but I'm just a simple superintendent. Ma'am Jen is just a human being. And we don't have the superpowers. And so, we entrust to the district coordinators the implementation of our, in your case, the programs and projects in Filipino. Because Ma'am Jen could not do it for an entire. Pero bakit successful tayo? Because you are there. Okay? Because you are there. Mawitaw na nga kanang I really espouse promotion for master teachers. Una nga, gusto ko nga mga naay master teachers. Because the master teachers are like the education program supervisors in their districts, in their schools. Nagkadakuan ang tabang ng most division office. Na supposed to be maota ni atuon ni Ma'am Jen ngadto sa Filipino, but because there is a master teacher or there is a district coordinator, usan na katawo ang iyang instrukan. Kanya, pila na lang pod ka Filipino teachers ang inyong i-manage. Kaysa siya ay mag-manage sa tanang Filipino teachers here in the division of Cebu Province. So that's why when Ma'am Jen proposed this, the division office really had no other decision but to approve because you deserve the appreciation. We deserve the recognition. First, appreciation to all of you. We appreciate your effort. And I hope we will sustain that. No? We will sustain that. Kay, to be honest with you, the division office needs you. Needs you. Ma'am Jen needs you in the delivery of the Filipino curriculum, programs, and projects. Ma'am Pam needs the math coordinators, math master teachers in the delivery of the curriculum in math. Ma'am Oliverio needs the district social studies coordinators and the master teachers in social studies to help us ensure that the curriculum, the programs and projects in social studies are implemented correctly. So, the division office needs you. And we thank you for being there. We thank you for being there. And to all those who are recognized, you deserve it. And I hope the recognition will be an inspiration for you to not only sustain the good things that you have done, but more importantly, to be able to help our colleagues. There are so many of our colleagues who need help, especially in the delivery of the curriculum. What do I mean? Kadaghang mga kauban na itong maestro-maestra na nanudlo sa ilang subject na dili ilang major. Kini sila may nagkinahanglan sa atong tapang. No? Kini sila may di na, although nakoy uban nga, magpakaaroon ingnan po ako din na nagtapang. So, dahil na naman sila. Ilang po sa kanyang mga Bungi na. Ay, niyo. Ibe. Kana. Bitaw. So, I hope those who are recognized will add to the strength of the Division of Cebu Province in the delivery of our curriculum in Filipino. Kay the Division of Cebu Province will not prosper, will not progress kung kami ra sa Division Office ang magtikaw-tikaw. Okay? Pwede rin yun nga, kung ito as Ma'am Jen sa daan bantayan, huwag yun may kalibutan kung saan nakita po sa Sibungan. Kung saan nakita po, kalayo ra ka ito. But with you around, we are assured. Especially with technology. Karon nadali na lang kaayutan maka. Okay. Now, kamo nga niya karon are really very important elements in the division. Kay kami ako, the superintendent, the assistant superintendents, the Filipino supervisors, wala may kalainan sa usa ka langgam na nagbato gamay kay sana. We are like birds perched on a very small twig. Okay? Very small twig. Na ang bird is threatened by the breaking of the twig. Diba? Nagbatog siya, niya, ang peligro. Ngayon, ito pag iskul mo, balik na ang yan anak ni. We are perched on a twig. Kami, ako, si Ma'am Jen, as a Filipino supervisor, she is perched on a twig. At sa kadako sa Division of Cebu Province, bugat kayo ang trabaho. So tungkol sa kabugat sa trabaho, we are threatened na mabalik ang sanga na amuang patugan. But remember, just like the bird is not afraid if the twig will break. Why? Because the bird will just fly. When the twig breaks, it will just flap its wings and it will not fall. It will fly. Maoras at me. We are not afraid. With you around, we are not afraid that our twigs that we are sitting on, ang mga opisina that we are sitting on, I, as the superintendent of the largest division in the entire country, is not afraid that my twig will break. Because, of course, I have my wings. Ma'am Jen has my wings. Asa may among mga wing? Naman may mga kasuwatan. Naman may mga appointment. Waman may mga lingkod sa among sanga na mahadlok may paibot mi diha. All of a sudden, kay nanglingkod na mi diha goy suko. That's our wings. But more beyond the wings, we have wings to fly. But that is not all that we need. We need the winds beneath our wings. And kamuna, you are the wings beneath the wings of Ma'am Jen in Filipino. So if Ma'am Jen mabukatan sa iyang trabaho and mabalik ang sanga na iyang gibatugan kay bukat na kayo iyang trabaho, she will just fly. Because there is you who will be the wind beneath her wings and make her flap her wings and fly and not fall. So mauna, I hope this will be a trademark and a way of life of the Division of Cebu Province. Kay, when I was told na ma-assign to sa Division of Cebu Province, nadyo mga superintendent, nag-iingat ko, good luck ni mo sir tata. Good luck meaning to say, ayo niya. Basi, retired ka, di ba ikaw maamtagbuhan. Okay? But during my installation in the presence of the district supervisors and the school heads here at Ecotech, I'd like to repeat that yes, when I was told that I'm going to be the superintendent of the biggest division of Cebu Province of the Philippines with 1,153 schools and 27,000 personnel to take care. Not supervise, but take care. I said, that might be a source of concern for me. But on the other hand, I looked at the brighter side. And I said, yes, there are many people to take care. There are many people to serve. But on the other hand, there are also many people that I can depend on. And that was my comforting conviction that this might be a very big division, but I know I will be working with people who will not deprive me, who will not deny me of the support and the cooperation that I need. And now I'm seeing it, and in this group, through Ma'am Jen, we are seeing the people who have not denied us with your support and with your cooperation. That's why we are sailing smoothly, even if we are a big boat. So to you all, thank you very much, and hope you will continue to be the wind beneath the wings of our schools division, specifically in the implementation of the programs, projects, and curriculum in Filipino, because truly the division office needs you, and we will always count on you. Okay? Thank you very much, and pag-awanin lang ninyo that yung mga designations ninyo, hindi ko na talaga makaya. Hindi na makaya ng powers ko. No? Hindi ba sa pwede nga facsimile, kaya it might not become official. So kailangan, hindi naman ako kaya sa powers. So Ma'am Jen went to my office last night. Ako yun siya, sumay-sumayon ha.